Much of the neighbourhood is still submerged in water as intermittent rain continues. Some people had to rush out of their homes in the middle of the night.
Surpresa, né? O pessoal estava todo dormindo e quando a gente deu por ferro, já tinha invadido a casa. Só deu tempo de sair as pessoas da casa. Felizmente, não tivemos vítimas fatais, né?
Com quase 1,80 m de altura em algumas casas aqui.
About 200 people were rescued by boats across 3 towns. The heavy currents of swollen Yuka River made rescue operations more difficult.
Com esse volume de água, ficou difícil, inclusive, a manobrabilidade com os jet skis, para, digamos assim, não oferecer um risco àquele que está pilotando, nem à vítima que está sendo socorrida.
Flooding has continued on and off for weeks, causing what the state governor has declared the worst disaster in Bahia's history. Record rains followed a long drought, affecting livelihoods in the state of 15 million inhabitants. The situation worsened over Christmas after a pair of dams gave way, sending residents scrambling for higher ground. Local media say authorities are monitoring an additional 10 dams for any signs they may collapse. 72 municipalities across Bahia are now in a state of emergency.